Learn how to create realistic water reflection in Photoshop. First, open the image you want to add water reflection, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J in Mac, then crop the image by pressing C or select crop tool and increase the bottom area. Now make a duplicate layer and transform image by pressing Ctrl+T or Command+T in Mac, then right click on image and flip vertically and fit to the bottom of the original image. Now add motion blur. Go to filter then distort and select displays, press OK and select the PSD file given link in description. And if you want to create your own PSD reflection file, watch video till the end. Do the exact thing that I'm doing.